Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Azure AD for app registrations, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Azure portal by visiting portal.azure.com. Log in with your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Azure Active Directory section in the left navigation pane. Click on App Registrations in the Azure Active Directory menu. To create a new app registration, click on the plus New Registration button at the top. In the registration form, enter a name for your application. Select the appropriate supported account types for your application. For the redirect URI, enter the URL your application will use for authentication. Click the Register button to create the app registration. After registration, you'll be taken to the app's overview page. Note the application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID for future use. Next, navigate to the Certificates and Secrets tab on the left. To create a new client secret, click on the plus New Client Secret button. Provide a description and set an expiration period for the secret. Click Add to generate the client secret. Once generated, copy the client secret value immediately as it will not be visible later. Now, go to the API Permissions tab in the App Registration menu. Click on the plus Add a Permission button. Choose the relevant API your application needs access to. Select either Delegated Permissions or Application Permissions based on your requirements. Check the boxes for specific permissions your app needs. After selecting the permissions, click Add Permissions to confirm. If your application requires admin consent, click the Grant Admin Consent button. Confirm the action in the prompt that appears. Your application is now properly configured to authenticate with Azure AD. Keep the application ID, directory ID, and client secret in a secure place. You are ready to implement authentication in your application using these credentials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.